YouTube, please just work with us. Yo. Oh, chill.
Take it out.
Look at nothing. What? Again, this is Kkvsh, man, and as you guys see by the thumbnail and the title, yes, I know. Comment down below. I already know. Y'all gonna beat me up. I already know. You know, I've been getting messages. Y'all see me in public. Yo, when you gonna do an next prank? When you gonna do this and this and that? Today is the day, guys. Guys, see by the thumbnail and the title, I will be pranking SyVon. Can I get a in the crowd? You already know, my pranks are lit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I comes with the banger. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna just have y'all waiting for too long. That's coming on. Waste video. You crazy? Hey, matter of fact, hey, stop what you doing right now. Comment down below. Like the video, share the video, cause this is about to be a banger. So you guys better tell me the title. I will be doing a, first of all, I don't know if you guys, well, maybe most Caribbean people should know her. Michaela, I think her name is, aka otherwise known as Kkvsh on Instagram. She got like 6 or 7 million followers on Instagram. So basically, she's very known for her long song. She got famous of that or whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? So y'all, if y'all familiar with her Instagram page, you know she do a lot of stuff, and you know she posts like, you know, naked, not really naked pictures, but you know, like swimsuit pictures and stuff like that. She do a lot of videos and stuff like that. So basically what I'm going to do is, if you guys know, if you guys see her Instagram and see her pictures, I'm going to go to her Instagram or go online, and pretty much I'm just gonna pick out, you know, maybe 10 pictures and stuff like that. I'm gonna like post them around the room. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do that. We're gonna post in my room and we're gonna get shy reaction. Now she's not here right now. She's doing her video for her channel. So make sure you guys check the link down below and you know go check out that video whenever she posted. So she's been left the house for like an hour now. And I just saw this video because you know I was scrolling through, the internet thinking of a video to do. I'm like, man, I can do this. Now the thing that I'm worried about is, you know, if you guys see her Instagram, she posts a lot of, you know, I don't know. Some people might say inappropriate pictures, but I don't know. But I hope YouTube just let me slide this one time, man. Just let me slide this one time. Let me do this video right now. You know, don't take it down or anything like that. I know some of these pictures are gonna be inappropriate because I'm going crazy. I'm gonna pick the most inappropriate pictures. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get her reaction today. You feel me? So yeah, she wanted somebody to do a video for her channel. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned for that. And stay tuned for that video. Is it gonna be in the description below? So she been left for like an hour ago. So we're gonna actually call her just to see. You know what? I'm gonna actually call her to see where she's at, because I don't want her to just pull up while I'm doing this video. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So pretty much y'all get the concept of the video, man. We're gonna go through the Instagram. We're gonna pick 10 pictures or something. Matter of fact, let me just go show y'all who she is right now. Hold on. So I already typed her name up right here. Guys, see? I already typed her name up right here. Hold on. So this is her Instagram. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you guys see this is her Instagram. If you want to go follow her, that's her Instagram right there. Okay, so she got like 7.1 million. So these are the type of pictures she posts. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Yes, I know, guys. You ain't, bruh. Oh yeah, I'm definitely using that one. Damn! That's definitely getting a reaction or a shot for sure. Whoo! Hey, come on, man. What you doing, man? Stop playing with me, man. I could log in on the app, but I don't feel like doing that. It'd be way more easier. But it's what it is. Bro. I don't know. But y'all get the concept of this video. We don't know. I'm just hoping YouTube just let me. Come on, camera, I can focus. I'm hoping that YouTube just let me. Why the camera looks so yellow? Come on, man. I'm hoping that YouTube just let me slide this one time, please. So pretty much, I'm gonna pick some pictures, show you the pictures. I need to get my laptop. Yeah, cause I'm gonna print these pictures offline, and then we're gonna post them. So I got my laptop right here. And then I need to get a printer. I need to get tape. Cause like I said, I'm going to post these pictures all over the room. I'm just gonna get a reaction. We're gonna see what she thinks. Come on now. Come on guys. If your girlfriend walked in the room seeing a whole bunch of pictures of Kush, you know what I'm saying? That should go crazy, right? So hey, moment of silence for me. Let's pray. God, please guide me. It's just for entertainment. Please don't let a shot rip my head off, because any female would have got mad. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is, guys, I'm gonna stop the camera right here. I'm gonna find some pictures. I'm gonna get the printer. and we're just gonna post them all over the room. First of all, I don't want to call her because I don't want her to think. She shouldn't. I don't think she's gonna think I'm doing the video. So we're gonna call her real quick. Let's see what she's doing. Nah, should I call her? Cause she ain't gonna expect it's a prank. I said we haven't did a prank video in a while. She ain't nowhere in this world. She should expect it. Let me just call her. See what she doing. See when she's gonna get here.
Hello?
Dang, you picked up fast as hell.
Because it was showing on my video.
Huh?
Because it was interrupting my video.
Oh, you still doing the video? Oh, my bad.
No, I'm watching a video.
Oh. You did the video already?
What video?
Huh?
What video?
I thought you was recording a video.
Huh?
I thought you was recording a video.
No, I'm done with it.
Oh, you already done?
Yeah, I'm watching a video now.
Where you at right now? You call?
Huh?
Where you at right now?
I'm on my way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got interrupted by this little video, but I'm coming.
Oh, so your video's already done?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. You already left the house or you?
No, I was done with the video, but then I started watching something. But now I'm coming.
Okay.
Yeah.
You already left or you just finna leave?
No, I'm finna leave.
Okay. Alright. I'm just checking it. I'm gonna go I'm gonna go take a shower because you say you still wanna go to what's name, right? Mall or something?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna take a shower real quick.
Alright, go take your shower.
Alright. Alright. Damn. She look like she been done with the video. I'm asking her what video she doing. She like, what video? What video? Like she been done with that video, so I gotta hurry up. Hey, so guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe, man. I'm gonna print these pictures. I'm gonna post them tomorrow. So next time camera start, I should start posting them tomorrow. As you guys can see, man, I'm currently printing these pictures. I'm trying to go as fast as I can, so I probably won't record that much right here. I already recorded some right here already. Woo. Bro, I'm already scared doing this video, but hey, you got risk for the biscuits. Hey, the only thing I'm worried about is I hope YouTube just let me slide with this one, please. I feel like we're gonna get a good reaction out of her today. Whew, let's get it. Alright guys, I just finished printing out the pictures. I printed about 10. No, I don't want to overprint. I don't want to overdo it. Well, I'm already overdoing it already, but I ain't trying to waste too much ink. You know what I'm saying? I think this is enough. So guys, pretty much what I'm gonna do is trying to hurry up. But I'm gonna post these pictures around the room. Hopefully it's enough. You know what? For the little extra, might be extra. I might just leave this up like this. Leave the computer on. I might turn my other computer on. Hey, she gonna kill me. But hey, this what we do, man. This what we do. Feel me? Comment down below, man. Comment down below if you like this video so far. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright guys, as you guys can see, man, let me show you guys. Oh my god, yo, YouTube, please don't. YouTube, oh my god, YouTube, please just work with us. Yo, she's gonna kill me. 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 I got a computer too. I'm trying to get on TV, but I can't find the internet, and I don't got much time. So hey, we finna set the camera up somewhere, and we're just gonna wait for her. We're just gonna wait for her. So I don't know how long she's gonna be, but we're just gonna wait for her. Let's get a reaction. Guys, I might turn the light off so when she walked in, she just turn the light off and boom. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna find somewhere to put the camera, and then guys, hopefully she should go crazy. Cause these pictures, who would not go crazy looking at these pictures? Come on now. Come on now. I walk in this room and I see Shy post some other dude in this room. What you talking about? You feel me? But hey, we gonna run it up. I'm trying to find her on the TV, but I don't have enough time. But it's pretty good nowadays, man. It's pretty good nowadays. So hey, like and subscribe. We're gonna set the camera and then we're gonna get a reaction. Let's go. Forever, bro.
Oh gosh. Oh shit. Why you got it so dark up in here?
Huh? Oh, you can turn the light on.
everything on the floor. What is this on the bed?
If you want to get that light on, it's cool.
What the fuck?
What?
What the hell is this? Joy.
What?
Why the hell? What are you looking at?
What are you doing?
What are you looking at?
What are you doing?
What are you looking at?
What do you want to looking at?
This don't look like me.
Oh.
This don't look like me on these.
I'm doing a promo.
What promo?
Huh?
Why she got her tongue all the way on the doggone floor?
What you doing? It's a promo. Chill. It's a promo.
What promo? What promo is you doing?
What you mean with
Boy,
promo?
you ain't even got 5 subscribers on YouTube.
It's a promo.
What promo? What promo is you doing?
What you mean with
Boy,
promo?
you ain't even got 5 subscribers on YouTube.
Damn! I'm doing a promo. Chill out.
A promo for what?
What you
Promo
doing?
for-
What you doing?
Why you?
What you doing?
You got it on this.
I'm doing a promo.
Javon, that look like a whole lizard coming out her mouth.
What you doing?
You got it on this.
I'm doing a promo.
Javon, that look like a whole lizard coming out her mouth.
I'm doing a promo.
Why you got the doggone thing
Man,
everywhere?
Don't you look cute? I'm doing a promo, babe, for a promo for a channel. So it's just
Who channel?
Huh?
Who channel?
Oh, channel.
I'm not putting that on our channel.
Babe, come on, babe. It's a promo. Why you take my stuff down? What you doing? I'm doing a promo. Chill.
I don't care about your stupid
Stop putting my stuff down, bro. Stop putting my stuff down, bro. I'm doing a promo. Chill out. What you doing? I'm doing a promo. Chill out, bro. I'm doing a promo.
You gonna drop me like that?
Chill out. I'm doing a promo.
Javon.
Damn.
Stupid.
Yo, stop taking my stuff down.
Why?
Stop down, bro.
Why
It's
you
a promo.
Why you got all these pictures on the freaking wall? You don't even put me on them.
It's a promo. Why you taking my stuff down? What's wrong with you, girl?
And you better not push me
It's
out.
Damn.
I'm not. Okay, you stupid.
It's a promo. Doesn't it look cute?
No.
Change it up.
No, she don't.
Hey, look at the ass, bro. Hey.
You gonna make me break my toenail.
It's a promo.
Ooh.
I'm taking my stuff down. Promo.
Drew, I'm not playing with you.
Damn.
Why you got all this over?
What you doing?
Why you got all this over the wall?
It's a promo. I'm doing a promo.
So what you gonna promote?
Huh?
The freaking room?
Yes.
What you promoting?
Her. Oh, chill.
Take it out.
Take it. Look at nothing. You know. Damn.
Javon,
Ah!
take the damn thing off. Take the damn thing off.
No, it's a
Take it
promo.
off.
Leave me alone.
Take it off.
No.
I'm not playing with you.
Stop.
Promo my
Stop.
ass.
Stop getting in my head. No, what's wrong
Take
with you? No, I'm not taking it as a promo. Leave my stuff alone. You should appreciate it. Oh, it's a promo. Shut up. Stop with the arm, yo.
I'm not playing with you.
No, move. Don't touch something.
Take it down.
I'm not taking nothing. No, it's a promo. I'm saying I appreciate you just showing our pictures like that. Yo, what's the laptop, you dummy? Yo, what's the laptop, you dummy?
Who you calling dummy? Who you calling dummy?
Babe, come on. Man, you choking me?
Take
Okay.
this down. Take it down right now.
Oh, I'm taking it. You got me in the show.
You take it down right now.
Okay, I will.
Take it down.
Okay, I will.
Take it down.
I will.
Take it down.
Ooh, yeah.
Boy, get your ass off of me.
She gonna like this too. She gonna like this too. Look, we can do what? Watch her.
I'm not doing that. Stop fucking.
What you doing? Stop taking my stuff off, bro. What's wrong with you? Turn my stuff off for. It's a promo. If you don't like it, get your ass out. Simple.
No, you get your ass out.
Stop waiting.
Touch
Watch
me.
my laptop. Let me take my baby. Oh, I got you, baby. What you doing? I got you, baby. You mad because you don't look sexy like her?
You not sexy.
You like you doing sexy like it? What's he doing? Where you going? God damn. Shit. Guys, you just rip off every goddamn thing. Dang, did I take the video so far? Oh shit. Babe.
You better get up.
It's a babe. Babe, it's just a shit. Babe, I love you. It was just a chill out. It was just a prank. It was a reaction.
I'm not.
Wouch, I heard.
You don't even put me up on. I'm not playing with you.
Wouch, I heard.
You don't even put me up on.
I like her. She's my baby.
Take it down. I'm not playing with you. Take it off. Take it off.
No, I'm not. I like her. She's my baby. It's a promotion video. Chill. It's a promotion video. That's all we're doing.
You know what? This is a promotion.
Hey, chill.
You know what else is a promotion?
Chill.
I'm promoting.
I'll whoop your ass.
I'm promoting.
Put my stuff down.
I'm promoting. How
No, you
to
ain't.
break
You.
your boyfriend.
Hey, no. This costs more than your teeth. Put my stuff down.
I bet it don't.
Put my stuff down. Bitch. You gonna buy a new one then?
Put myself down what?
Huh?
Put myself down what?
Put my stuff down.
What you about to say?
Put my stuff down. Chill. Alright, I'm in the video. I'm starting the video. Chill. It was just a reaction. I'll close it down. Chill. You ain't finna mess my stuff up. Put my stuff down. Guys, look go. I got witness as the camera. Rent my stuff. You gonna pay for it. Hey! No, we don't need no witness. It's good. We don't need no witnesses. It's good. Ah!
Jesus Christ. Putting that up on my wall.
Stop, bro. Guys, one thing. Who's hot? Guys, I think I got her. Boy, my hand hurt me. Whew. I think I got her good, guys. I should have extended it more, but when she went, honestly, I thought she was leaving. I didn't want her to leave. But, whew. Make sure you like and subscribe. I told you it was gonna be a banger. Comment down, guys, what you think. Did I overdo it, or was this perfect? Perfecto. It was a promotion, by the way. So,
it wasn't no damn promotion.
it was a promotion, by the way. So, make sure you like and subscribe. We will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.